In this video, I want to show you a really cool website called Texturescom, where we can find a lot of textures to create really high quality and realistic materials. So you can create PBR materials, so physically based render materials, and use it in any software here. So let's get started. Let's, for example, explore the PBR materials. So there you go. Now we are inside this section, but you can see here that we have also other sections. We have 3D scans. We have the decals to apply if you're doing, for example, a video game, but also if you're using layers on the materials. We also have regular photos here, not only textures, and you also have some 3D objects. So you have a lot of stuff here that you can use, and some of these is free, some of these you are for sale. Well, let's say that you have like pricing here, so you can check all the various subscriptions. Now it depends on what you need to do. Now in this case we're only going to test something. You can see here I have a free texture. This is done in Substance, and I can here download the compiled material and also the SBS. So if I want to access to everything, now I need to create an account to download the free materials. And you can see here that once we have created the account, and we can download the various textures. So this is the diffuse or albedo, and you can see this is all free. You don't need credits. You have many different resolutions. So let's say that I want to download this. I need to create an account, and this is the height map, the one that's used for the superficial fake 3D effect, and also the normal as well. Well, this can be used also for the displacement if you want to create a real effect of 3D extrusion of the material. And this one here is for the roughness, which is going to define where the material is going to be shiny or not shiny. So the white parts will be not shiny, the gray parts would be a little bit more shiny, the black parts would be a lot shinier. And here also in the height map, the white is going to be more extruded, the black not extruded, the gray is a little less extruded. And also we have ambient occlusion, which is really useful to increase the level of details, the small details in the surface. And so this is a brief explanation of how you can create a material. Now, if you use Substance, you will have the material itself, but if you're using another software, let's say Blender, you have to download all of these, and then you can apply them into different channels in the software, and you can recreate the material. Well, you can use this, for example, also in V-Ray. You can use them in any software that supports the PBR effects or the physically based render effects. So if you don't know what they are, you can also check our channel. You can check some videos about creating materials in V-Ray or other software, or also, for example, Lumion. And if you want, you can also check out this really wonderful and free open source software which is called Armor Paint. You can buy it really cheap, or you can compile it yourself. And again, you will find some video guides in our channel on how to use it. And you can see here that this is using different textures to create materials. Well, it's really similar to Substance. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do, please subscribe, leave your comments, questions, suggestions. Please join if you want to support us, and see you in the next video.